Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So you got small test deposits from Etsy. If you choose manual verification, Etsy usually sends small test deposits to your bank account. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go through how to enter the bank verification code for Etsy deposits, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So the number one that I usually tell you guys to do is to open your device, make sure you are fully connected to the internet, since we don't want like any connection issues happening when we are going through something serious, talking about deposits, talking about money, talking about Etsy account, or even Etsy payments. So you have to check your bank account in 1 to 3 business days. Look for like 2 small deposit accounts or amounts from Etsy. As for now, we're gonna go back to the platform using Etsy.com, login in using our email address and password, tap on this shop manager, then look for finances. Then we're gonna go to payment settings, then verify the bank account. So now it's time to enter the exact deposit amounts, then tap on confirm. Your bank account will now be verified. As for like bonus tips, enter amounts exactly as shown. Don't confuse them with other small transactions. So make sure it's from Etsy. Then verification usually expires if not completed in time. So make sure you are basically checking every 1 to 2 days to make sure everything is looking good. And that's it. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.